I have been badgering you for years, haven't I, about how great
Yo! Wow!
Nepal is. I'm
Nice
so
feeling.
glad you're here to experience it in person.
गप्टिलले हान्न थाल्यो है गप्टिलले हान्न थाल्यो अब
You're under pressure, but having spent a few hours, yeah,
ब्याट
not
खुल्दैछ
able to
उसको
anymore. And for those who don't know HD, former test player for South Africa, former captain
HD,
of the
come on.
County Cricket Club, broadcasts all around the world. We were also on call together, weren't we, for that Under-19 World Cup?
Reminds me of Titan, Attack of Titan, Ackerman.
That was drama there, Dead Canal. Oh, we went through the ringer that day, the roller coaster of emotions.
Whoa, nice.
Gupta will keep the strike. It's been a cautious start for him.
Oh, look at that crazy audience, man. I wish I could be there.
On Superlight Gel with hyaluronic acid, 200% instant hydration. Miracles happen.
It's a potential order, not necessarily.
You guys can vote on a poll who will win today. BiratNagar or Janakpur.
Fine player. The left-handers are going to be key in this competition with the abundance of left-arm spin that will be bowled.
Yo, Rajbansi.
He's certainly taking some time to acclimatise here. It's his first trip to Nepal as well. The capital, so he'll just want to have a little feel of how the surface plays.
राजवंशी फेरि आइसकेका छन् हाम्रो क्रुजमा हो गप्टिलले खेल्न अलि गाह्रो मान्दै हाम्रो ललितजीको बललाई
You presented me with a duck topi that day, and I still have it, and I'm apologising for not bringing it with me, but there's a very good reason why.
Crazy fans are there.
Building a new home in Perth, Australia, so 90% of
this is crazy, man.
And the topi has gone in there as well until I can move into my new home, and then it will emerge.
The world is seeing. The world is watching you guys. Oh my god, that appeal was crazy.
Excuses as to why you didn't bring it. The good news, though, I just can't believe you haven't been given one yet. You usually get greeted by someone at the airport putting a scarf around your neck.
We're already on 4th over, right? Whoa. Not. That's safe. We're Goptil on 3 and Ilas on 4. And BiratNagar on 13. 1. Yo! The big one! Not a big one, but good one. Not a big one, but a good one. We want boundaries.
Also, maybe an introduction for the likes of Martin Guptill, who has played, like you said, in every league around the world, as to how good associate cricket is, how good cricket in Nepal is.
Yeah. Nice.
Stars, HD. I don't think they're going to have it all their own way throughout this FPL.
Power play ma hande hanena the yaar. Gap खोजिरहेको केटोले. Nice. Yes. That's 4. Boundary. Oh, look at the intricate. People are still entering. Fourth over has been finished and we are on a break. It's 19 with 1 loss. Ilas on 5 and Goptil on 8.
DHI happier home. 2 days ahead.
I'm supporting BK.